I can't capture this the way it looks, but I have never seen a sunset like this in my life. So vibrant in person, and there's lightning flashing. There's like these different strips. Oh my gosh, I wish I could get it. I don't know what's going on, but I'm taking this as a sign because you can just take everything as a sign. I've literally never seen a sunset like this in my entire life. I don't know what's going on with the clouds. Almost looks like a window or a doorway of some sort. Looking at like this like passageway right there. I don't know, life is so weird, but when you walk outside after a storm and after a long day of mostly looking at technology all day, and the air is wet and humid outside, and there's no bugs out at all, like practically none, and the city's going by, and the sunset is just like nothing you've ever seen in your life. I don't know. I think it's something. I love you. Holy shit. The lightning I just saw, and a bat just flew by. Dang, I dropped my glasses. Wow, the mystery of life. Oh my god, right there. It was huge. It was boom, 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 straight up from there. I am fucking amazed. I'm fucking amazed. Wow, I don't even know what else to say. I'm gonna sit out here and I'm gonna see if I can just get one more on camera for you guys. Okay? Quite as impressive as the one I saw. Sorry to burst your bubble, but I hope you enjoyed it. This is Sophia, Peanut, and the butter on a stormy night in an unnamed city.